So some often used question types are the multiple choice question that I just mentioned, the text entry question, and you can see if I click on that next option, the question now completely changed to a text question. If you do this and you think, oh my god, I've lost all the settings that I put into that one question, just go back and you will see that Qualtrics remembered the settings that you put in previously. So that is fine. Now let's go to the text question and you see how much do you like ice cream, and there's a text box. And with the text box, validation becomes a bit more interesting. If I click validation here and I want Qualtrics to check if the answer of a participant fits a certain format, I could say, all right, minimum length, so in terms of characters, at least 3 characters, meaning that a person would have to type about 1 word. But you can also here select a content type. And you can ask Qualtrics to check if people filled in an email address or a number, for example. And if we select number, we can say